One of the things that most excites me about educational networking is the ways in which Web 2.0 facilitates certain pedagogical goals and outcomes. Before Web 2.0, contributions made by educators had to be within the relatively narrow confines of existing institutional structures in order to be worthy of publication or presentation. Now, educators can find specific intellectual paths where they are able to publish to the web and participate with others interested in the same topic. One of the great features of Web 2.0 is the discussion forum, an environment for learning how to actually talk about things. Most of the activity on educational networks, organized at this point outside of formal institutions, takes place after hours, demonstrating the ability to engage others and showing that the desire to share and collaborate around professional interests trumps other leisure activities. The value of having an authentic audience and of having the contributed work be authentic both argue for Web 2.0 and educational networking. Rather than relying solely on the experts, educators can speak to their colleagues with an authentic voice, translating their very real expertise in everyday classroom situations into learning that can be shared. The backbone of the Internet revolution is openness. Open computer standards, open software, and open content. When the world's accumulated knowledge growing at its current pace, the incentives or rewards for keeping information proprietary significantly diminish, and the resulting willingness to share offers great opportunities to learn and to participate. We've long had it drummed into us that collaboration is important, yet we've rarely seen it actually rewarded, either in educational institutions or in the business world. Web 2.0 facilitates behavior we have claimed that we wanted to support, but often found hard to actually do. To keep up with today's pace of change, continuous education and lifetime learning are increasingly expected and required from all of us. When we can both contribute and believe that our contributions are making a difference, we are more likely to stop viewing ourselves as passive audiences and more as genuine actors in the changing world of education. The vast amount of data on the web requires more critical thinking than was needed when trusted authorities told us what we needed to know. Educators will need to shepherd students through the increasingly important task of filtering web-based content and discerning whom and what to trust. The best way to prepare educators for this is for them to hone their critical thinking skills through educational networking and other web forums. Depending on particular needs, connections can be made to, and resources found for, very specific topics. While teacher training days may often be one-size-fits-all activities, web-based learning provides the platform for personalizing one's lifetime learning.